Damn, babe. That was a really good workout today. I totally agree, babe. You want to go again? Hello?
Hi, sir. I heard you're in a relationship with your lawnmower.
Okay, and?
And if I can do an interview with you, would that be okay?
Hold up. Hey, babe!
First question. How long has this relationship lasted you?
It's lasted about 8 months. You know, sometimes it gets a little dry, but we invite new lawnmowers. That's how we work. Sometimes I gotta change your oil, if you know what I mean.
Cool, what the fuck? Okay. Second question. What does your parents feel about this relationship?
My parents don't think much of it, but her parents, you know, they want her to be with like a weed whacker, another lawnmower. My parents just want me to find another girl.
Okay, third question. What made you fall in love with this lawnmower?
The first day I turned her on, she turned me on.
Mi caliente. Okay, fourth and last question. Do you plan on getting married?
Probably in a week or two. We still got a couple more lawns. Gotta make it nice and clean.
Okay, now we're done. For the audience watching, we're now gonna roll a montage of Maricela and Elka. Roll his intro!
You know, it's not every day that a boy can find a lawnmower that he loves. People say it's a little strange, but you gotta make it work, you know? 'Cause that's all my lawnmower is. She's my baby doll. Thanks for watching. Donate to this channel. Subscribe and love me.
Ah! Okay, and we're done.
Damn, babe. That was a really workout.
Fuck! One production lawnmower, take one.
Hey.
Aight.